shove. Push forcefully. Example, give him a shove. I think he is dropping. Don't shove her. Deadline. A time limit for completing a task. Example, the deadline for the project is tomorrow at noon. Lullaby. Soothing song to help someone sleep. Example, she sang a lullaby to her baby. Soak. Make thoroughly wet. He had to soak his shirt after spilling juice on it. Drown. Die from suffocation in water. Example, the swimmer almost drowned but was saved in time. Babble. Talk incoherently or rapidly. Example, the excited child would babble about his day at school. Outdo. Surpass or excel. Example, she always tries to outdo herself in every competition. Take 5. Take a short break. Example, let's take 5 and grab a coffee. Bittersweet. A mixture of pleasure and pain. Example, graduation was a bittersweet moment for her. Bashful. Shy or timid. Example, he's a bit bashful around new people. Abhor. Regard with disgust or hatred. Example, he abhors cruelty to animals. Bet. A wager or gamble. Example, they made a bet on who would win the race. Chatty. Fond of talking or conversation. Example, she's always been a chatty person. Enigma. Something mysterious or puzzling. Example, the disappearance of the ancient artifact remains an enigma. Blursday, a day that feels indistinguishable from others. Example, during lockdown, every day started to feel like a Blursday. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more vocabulary. Only English vocabulary.